people, welcome back to our channel. Another day, and we are heading towards to a nice newly opened restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Lakeview. You can see it in the banner, and we will see how is the food and also give some ratings on how the food is and also show you the place. So hang out, people.
Beautiful place here. That kere is known as Go Kere, and you have like this kind of props for you kept here to take beautiful pictures. This is the entry.
I love Lakeview.
You take pictures over here.
Right.
Look at this. This is how it looks from the outside. Both the sides, that side and also this side. And there you can see, you can take beautiful pictures there also. Our food has arrived. We have ordered for steamed rice, there is some salad, and then garlic naan, and there we have paneer butter masala, and then dal. We are not a good eater, by the way, no, Sailesh?
Yeah.
So this much is fine with us. This also will be too much for us, but the food quality is really good over here.
Yes.
No, last time we came twice and it was really tasty. So yeah, we are done eating. On the way back, we are going through Doddaballapura. No, Sailesh?
Yes.
So if you are coming to Doddaballapura, you have a lot of other places to explore as well, like the Isha Foundation, right? Sadhguru, if you know. So, and then there are a lot of other lakes also. This is how it looks. We are on the way to the homestay that we have booked. This is one of the best weekend getaway. And there Sailesh is trying to fly his new Neo drone. Oh yeah, very beautiful place. Lanes are quite narrow because we are heading towards the village and nobody is there. Trust me, such a beautiful place. Your weekend is going to be super great. Once we reach there, we're going to let you know. And look at him. I can't see your drone, Sailesh. Hey, where is it? Where is the drone? Where is the drone? You can't see. You can see, but I'm not able to see. Finally we have reached the property and this is how it looks. Very peaceful, calm, serenity, surrounded by greeneries. Look at Justin, how he's running around. And we love the place, man. We have just checked the rooms and all. It's like super clean. Okay, spotless. Look at the greeneries over here. Look at the plants. And this is how it looks from the outside.
Loved it, Dimple. Woo.
Oh, like the vegetables and all you can get. He can get. Yeah, so people, in this property, we are going to show you that this Dimple is going to cook, right? It's going to be raw, man. We don't want to trouble people and tell them to cook and all. So, yeah, let me cook.
Well, we have reached the resort or the farm stay. You could see this way. It's a big property, fence, so nothing to worry. And just look at this. Look at the ambience, and we will show you the room. This is the room that you get. You have 4 people who can sit here, enjoy the evening, and this is the view that you get. And the room, oh my god, this is like the best that we have experienced. Neat, clean, you could see it. 2 people can sit here. You have a TV, a cozy lounge, the bed, and Dimple is there. And you have a fridge. You have like 6-seater, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Yes, 6
dining table, and this is the kitchen area. But most important, we understand that for everybody, bathroom is like the prime importance thing. And Dimple is going to cook today something, so people will show you that in the vlog as well. A beautiful, beautiful, clean property, and we will also show you the bathroom. And that's me. So this is the bathroom. Clean, very, very clean. So this is how it looks, people. You could see it. Beautiful, beautiful landscape. And this is what you get. So hang out till the end and we will show you everything that happens in this property. Yeah. So yeah, people, we are going to the caretakers of this farm stay. Like we told earlier, it's a beautiful stay. It's all fenced with a big gate, and Dimple is going to give a small token of appreciation for the caretakers, small kids that I saw that time. So let's see. And a lot of peacocks are, yeah, I think it's there. We can hear the sound. And this is a beautiful property for sure. Right, Dimple? Yeah. Oh. Give it to her. Yeah, you stay there.
Oh, boy, no. Daughter, huh? Name?
ಹೆಸರು ಐಶು
Aishu.
Girl,
Maglu.
ಮಗಳು ಅದು ಮಗ
Oh, okay.
ಗಂಡು ಮಗು ಯಶು ಐಶು
people, what did we do here today? In this cute property, we have a kitchen over here, right? So what we have prepared here for you? This is dal as always, and there is spinach over here. We are trying it out in the new place, and we have made butter paneer. Very simple. There is salad over here, and this is YY, the famous noodle which everybody wants to eat. So, good morning from the property, and we are going out now, checking out. Look at that side, full forest and the farms, and now we are leaving. So, for now, let's go. And there is this tiny little guy there waving his hand saying bye. Look at him, so cute. Okay, so we are all set to go. Salish and Justin, let's go. By the way, early in the morning there were a lot of peacock, no?
Yeah.
Lot of peacock and some sounds at night, you know.
What is that?
That is cat.
Oh, okay.
Looks like leopard.